welcome to the other part. Sorry about that little part. Right now you will want to put I'm trying to rush. So you want to put your 1x4s along the studded side of the 12x1 with the studs, and you have to connect these pieces like that, and then you put into one of these 1x6 pieces, and you can put the blade piece or the stud side, whichever side you want. You grab this piece, put it onto a studded side. Okay, never mind. You will have to change it like that. So there'll be two studs at the bottom. And yeah, sorry if I'm rushing. It's because I have to do this under 7 minutes. And this is my 8th try. You have no clue how frustrated I am. Okay, you want to grab this piece, right? And you want to put it onto the other side. And yeah, I will pause this in 3, 2, 1. And I'll try and continue this as long as I can. Okay? And you just want to put these pieces inside this. Sorry if I'm talking too fast. It's because of my thing. It's about to do the thing, whatever. And you have to put this all the way over here. And you have to grab a 1x6 right here. And yeah. Oh, sorry guys, it wasn't. So it has to have 2 studs here, 2 studs here open for the butterfly knife to wiggle. Okay, now, wait. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, that's for the other. I'm sorry guys about the stuff that's happening upstairs. And yeah, oh yeah, you have to leave a 2 gap like that so you can see. And you have to grab this piece and put it like that. Sorry about your upstairs language. And yeah. And now you just have to practice. See you in the next video. Sorry about the wood that's upstairs. And goodbye. I'll just stop. Bye.